This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Buick Enclave, a luxurious package designed with the finest elements in mind. It features a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Features include a rear-view camera, a low-tire pressure indicator, high-intensity discharge headlights, chrome wheels, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a driver airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button. And this vehicle has fewer than 37,000 miles on the odometer. A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than an ordinary used vehicle. GM-certified means you get a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty with no deductible, a strict factory-set 117-point inspection, plus roadside assistance and courtesy transportation. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.